Good morning, dear customers. Thank you for taking time to view this one. Today is a very special day. I'd like to introduce Preeti Rao, who's a founder of Soil and Soul Company into natural cleaners, and is also an environmental activist who's running an NGO called Soil and Soul Foundation towards lake regeneration and tree plantation. Today, we'd like to listen to her about her products and why we need to switch to such natural cleaners. Um, Preeti, and sir, thank you for taking the time to come to our store today. What are the effects of chemical products on our environment?
Okay, when we see Bangalore, all of us are familiar with Bellandur, Vattu, Vishwavati is turning to be like that. It's completely getting lathered up, and I don't say it's completely domestic. There are industrial effluent in that, but then most of the what a person can do about it. If I don't like the river, if I don't like the lake to be like that, what can a person, what can an individual can do? So either they switch on to the chemicals or to the natural products which doesn't cause harm or these kind of lathering up. And it's like because of heavy metals, especially the toilet cleaners what we have at home, it's the most dangerous one. You feel the suffocating feeling when we clean it with that, and because of that it's all firing up. And how long can we keep living with it? And somebody has to clean it. It's somebody's responsibility. It's everybody's responsibility. And I feel we have to look into the other way of living and looking at the problem.
Sure. What are the products currently that you have launched?
Uh, we are trying to take off all the chemicals from home, and these are all fruit enzyme based. So it's like that flow cleaner. So our flow cleaner, you can just after cleaning your home, we can just put it on the plants also. It is that raw and that pure. So it's a growth promoter for the plant. So the flow cleaner, the toilet cleaner, it's not suffocating, and the smell is absolutely like a fruity smell. And we have laundry wash. Even the wash basin, washing machine water can go to the garden, and that way you save your water. You don't have to run your washing machine for n number of rinsing. The single rinsing works for it, and so you save your water, you save your electricity, and the water can go to the plants.
That's, I think, a wonderful advantage actually of the
Absolutely. So
water
water
that
is
is
just not
disposed
going
of.
to draining off. And
Yeah.
even if it drains out, these enzymes, the 1 liter of enzyme when you drain out from your in the sewage, it cleans 1,000 liters of sewage water.
Wow.
So how fantastic! You clean your house. It's not just your house. You clean your sewage water also. So
Absolutely.
nothing is going into your lake or this, river.
Nice.
Yeah.
How's the pricing compared to the chemical-based products on the market?
Price.
Well, as far as the pricing is concerned, there is no comparison of chemicals products and organic products. That can vary from different ranges from 90 rupees to 150 rupees, a 5 liter can at 400 rupees to 900 rupees. Because of the compositions and the dilutions and cheap quality products which is with it. But this has got a set process. It takes 3 months to make it. So quality cannot change at any cost in any batch. So this is just a unique product. So people have to come forward now to make the change, small change, to make use of these products and help the environment, lakes, rivers, STPs. So it's now the people who have to make this small change.
Absolutely. Do you want to take us through the products which we've kept over here quickly?
Yeah, so these are flow cleaner. All these products are enzyme based, the fruit enzyme, and flow cleaner, which can be fed to the plants. The toilet cleaner, again, you don't get any suffocation, and it cleans. Our purpose is to clean the place, not to suffocate our resources. The laundry wash, which is again the soap nut and the enzyme based. This is surface disinfectant. So this surface disinfectant, it can be, you can clean your shelf or the knob or the table or the chair, and all these can be cleaned. And the sanitizer is well known by everybody now. So, and the drain opener,
And it's alcohol free too.
alcohol free too. Yes, the sanitizer are alcohol free, and it's a myth that you need an alcohol to keep the germs away. No, it can be in a very friendly manner. There's a drain opener again. We just have to pour in. The kind of chemical we have today is actually suffocating our SDP and our water resources. So these are again the complete natural ones. And there's an air purifier. It's just a, you can carry it in your car when you go around. You just spray it so that you're sure your air, what you're breathing in, and the germs in your air doesn't affect you at all. And none of the products kills any germs. They protect us from germs. Germs are an important part of our ecology. We cannot keep killing the germs. Germs doesn't, it's not that all the germs are bad, but then we are killing all the germs, and we are harming our own food system because of that.
Thank you. I hope that was an eye opener for you to switch to natural products, natural cleaning products. Thank you.